Hey cuties, so today I'm doing a what's in my bag video. I have a new bag that I got from Louis Vuitton. This is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in damier ebene. I get bags, they're like my own personal trophies. That's why I really like to purchase them. This is like my second designer bag in my collection, and I accomplished the goal, so I got the bag. The bag I got in store. The sales associates were so nice, and the bag was like $2,300. I take that back. It was $1,230. The bag was $1,230, so $1,230, and then with tax it was like $1,300 for this bag. I'm not really a monogram girl. I'm more of a canvas or leather person. Just in designer bags, I find logos to be just a little bit too flashy for my lifestyle. But yeah, and I'll give you guys some close-ups, and I did a little mini unboxing, so hopefully I can add that to this video. Let's get into what's in my bag. I think this bag is great because it's a great size. It doesn't have me hoarding a ton of junk. I'm notorious for having 1,000 receipts in my bag, so I did a little bit of decluttering before I filmed this video. And I'm trying to not do that. So this is a great bag. I think the color is beautiful for the fall. So this is kind of like a fall edition bag. So let's get into what's inside. So the first thing I have this olive green wallet from Rebecca Minkoff. And it has gold hardware. And I think this olive color, green is like one of my favorite colors. I think it just goes so well with the bag. And I love pops of color when it comes to card holders or wallets. I think they're just so fun. The sales associate in the store, the concierge, I don't know what they call themselves, he was like, do you want to get the matching wallet? I was like, let me see. I was like, nah. I was initially gonna pick up a keychain when I was in the Louis Vuitton store. Yo, the keychain I wanted was $450 for a keychain. I was like, nah, y'all better do me. No thanks, I'm good. Next thing I have are some sunnies. I went to the farmer's market yesterday, and these are the sunnies I wore. So they're not in a case, they're just from Forever 21, a pair of cute sunnies. I own so many sunnies. Even though I've had designer sunglasses, I've sold some of them and I still have some. They're just not really worth it to me. These are fine. Even if you can find like a relatively cheap like polarized pair, that should be fine too. The next thing I have, baby, ain't no stinking breath around here. I've got mints, I've got these Altoids, and then I have this Orbit gum, and this one is in the sweet mint. I don't know why I'm trying to focus the gum. This is the Orbit gum, so I have these just in case my breath ever stinks. Just pop those in, etc. Next thing I have is I have a post-it pad. I like to write things down. Sometimes if I write them down, it sticks in my memory. Or if I'm giving someone information and I need to write it down, I write it down and give it to them. Also, I like using these when I go grocery shopping. I like having a list. So if I'm like sitting somewhere and I need to start writing a grocery list, I'll start writing it down on this. And I'll hold it, and then I'll just have the little post-it in my hand, because in order for me to shop efficiently, I can't just have the phone in my hand, because I've legitimately tried writing grocery list notes on my phone, and I'll always come home with something missing, and it will be right there on my list. So this works for me. Two other things I have in my bag to go along with that. I have two pens. Just a regular pen and this clickable pen. This one I got from Refinery 29. I went to an event. I actually posted a Alone with Abby. Maybe you can see that. It's upside down, sorry. It says Money Diaries. I got this from the Money Diaries series with Lindsay Sandberry, I believe. She's like the founder and writer of Money Diaries on Friday 29, so I got this there. Now, this pen has a lid on it, whereas this one is clickable. I've heard that you have to be careful with your designer bags and having clickable pens because they might like explode or spill out. So I'm just gonna keep that in the back of my mind. So the next thing I have in my bag is a scrunchie. Let me grab my scrunchie. Just kidding. So just a scrunchie in case I ever need it for my hair. Next, I have some lotion. This is the Overnight Moisture by, Overnight Moisture by Bath and Body Works. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really shop Bath and Body Works for body products anymore because they remind me of middle school. But I do go there to get candles and wallflowers occasionally. The thing is, I got this for free because they always give me like these coupons for like one free item. So I got this there. So that's in my purse because I don't want my hands to be dry. Next thing I have is a mirror from Sephora. Sephora used to give these out with gift cards. So I have this mirror from Sephora. Next thing I have is a perfume. You might have seen this in my perfume collection video. This is Mon Peri by Yves Saint Laurent. So this is a flute, and this is the spray version. I'm not really a fan. I don't know if I'm not a fan of roller balls. It's just like, I like spraying sometimes perfume on my clothing. I know you're supposed to spray it like on your person, but I like sometimes spraying it on my clothing because I just like it. Oh, so next thing I have 2 Halls cough drops. So 2 cough drops right here that, just because wintertime is coming, if I told you the number of adults that walk around and don't cover their mouth when they cough, it's disturbing. If I had like $1 every time, I would right now, I'll have like, you know, a pretty good amount, a pretty good vacation stash money, you know, because I was like in the grocery store today, and when people like over the age of like 16 to 18 cough and don't cover their mouth, it's just so strange. It takes nothing to just go cough into your sleeve. You don't want people to get sick. Ugh. Cover your mouth, folks. Oh, next thing I have is a ring. I was wearing this ring yesterday but at the farmer's market for my cute fall outfit, but I don't like wearing rings and washing my hands, so I took it off. So that's probably why it's in here. Next thing I have is Champagne Toast, and this is a hand sanitizer by Bath and Body Works. Smells great. I'm just really nervous about this opening up, and because this has a ton of alcohol in it and like staining my bag, so maybe I'll get like a cosmetic bag to put this in. So this is hand sanitizer that I have in my bag. There's this tip on Very Smart Brothers about like, if you ever do something that smells bad, you know, passing gas, eating something that smells bad, take a lot of hand sanitizer, rub it all over your hands, and go like this, and it kind of deodorizes the air. It's a good tip, and it works pretty well. I read that on Smart Brothers, and ever since then, it stuck with me. So the next thing I have, okay, this is at the bottom of my bag. I don't even have any coins at the bottom of my bag. Very unlike, oh, the coins are in my wallet. So I have 2 bobby pins, 2 gold bobby pins, you know, in case I gotta fly away or something. And these they're like wavy kinds that they're doing some fashion stuff with them. Now, this is my little guilty stuff. I am a walking Sephora lip counter in my bag. I have several lip products in my bag. Several lip products. Okay, let me get into this. One moment. Okay, so let's get into all of the lip products. First, I have a Fresh Beauty lip balm that I have in my bag. I like my lips to be moisturized. Next, I have a Maybelline lipstick in like a mauve color. Maybe I'll do swatches. Girl, y'all know I ain't never done no swatches before. That's the Maybelline one. The fresh one is sheer. And then I have a Milani lip color. Oh wait, this Maybelline one is $2.75 Crazy for Coffee. Then I have this Milani one in O2 Tenderness. Looks like this, O2 Tenderness. Let's grab a swatch. So this is like a gloss there. It kind of looks like what I have on my lips now, but it's not the same color. It's not. You can't have too many nudie mauvey nudes. The next color I have is Dangerous Curves by MAC Cosmetics. It's like people say it's like the best brown girl nude. You see that at the bottom? Okay. Does my wrist not turn? Come on, girl. Okay, so the next thing, I have a lot. Sorry, y'all. I have MAC Cosmetics. This is Patrick Starr from his first holiday collection. I got this on clearance because, you know, beauty on a budget. Right there. And that's in Mama Star. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Love that color. And then I have a lip liner. And this is NYX in Nutmeg. NYX lip liner in Nutmeg. It's a little dull right now, but at the bottom right there. So it's the same color family. Y'all can see the color family I like. It's just because when I'm out in public, I feel like my lips take up so much of my face and my smile really radiates. So after I eat something, I want my lips to still kind of look like they look. And if you notice in my bag, I don't really have too many cosmetics. Like I don't have face powder and that type of stuff. I haven't gotten there yet, and also this bag isn't big enough for all that. But like I just like my lips to kind of look polished. And I feel like oftentimes your lips are the first things that like fade in your beauty look. So that was my routine. I hope you guys enjoy. What do you have in your bag? Do you have anything different from the fall time to the springtime, or the spring to the summer, etc.? How does your bag change seasonally? Are we getting out of the nano bags? Are we going for bigger bags? You know, fall time, you might need to throw in a sweater in your bag. You might need to throw in a scarf. Oh, you know what's so crazy right now? I usually have snacks in my bag. I don't have snacks in my bag right now. I usually do have a snack, but because I'm trying to eat healthier, I usually like throw in like baby carrots or snap peas or like blueberries, and those are fresh products and not like granola bars, so I'm grabbing them on my way out. Go me. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a fabulous week. Bye.